Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, March 17, 2023 on our channel. EVCO at ISH 2023. Epta opened renewing showroom in Hendaye. Viessmann and Keyter Technologies accelerate European heat pump ramp-up with strategic partnership. Inaugural Cold Chain Sustainability Awards, winners announced. EU plan will boost heat pumps but aims too low. ASHRAE concludes successful winter conference and AHR Expo in Atlanta. Trane Technologies approves fossil-free HVO fuel for Thermo refrigerated transport solutions. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. EVCO at ISH 2023. For HVAC/our sector clients looking to build custom applications, EVCO is providing control solutions utilizing the C-Pro 3 programmable platform. This series of devices is distinguished by the wide variety of hardware formats, blind or displayed, for the high quantity and configurability of inputs and exits, expandable via optional modules, and for the presence of communication protocols such as Modbus and BACnet, as well as a web server in products with an Ethernet port. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Epta opened renewing showroom in Hendaye. Epta opens 2023 by renewing the look of its showroom in Hendaye. Modern and elegant, it is conceived to make the most of the group's solutions that contribute to the client's daily growth. The showroom was inaugurated by Epta together with the Mayor of Hendaye, Cote Isanero, the MP Vincent Brew, and all the employees. The exhibition area features 50 refrigerator cabinets, belonging to different ranges branded Epta, in particular its Bonnet Neve brand. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Viessmann and Keyter Technologies accelerate European heat pump ramp-up with strategic partnership. The Viessmann Group and the Spanish family-owned company Keyter Technologies SL, based in Ljubljana, near Malaga, are entering in a strategic partnership. Keyter Technologies is one of the leading manufacturers of heating, cooling and air conditioning solutions, HVAC+R, in Southern Europe and has strong research and development expertise in heat pumps and chillers. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Inaugural Cold Chain Sustainability Awards, winners announced. The winners of the inaugural Cold Chain Sustainability Awards were revealed March 15, 2023 at a presentation as part of the Cold Chain Federation's Climate Summit, Warwick University. Cold Chain Federation Chief Executive Shane Brennan said, "Our industry is making great strides towards a sustainable future through innovation, collaboration and serious investment into improving energy efficiency and reducing emissions." Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. EU plan will boost heat pumps but aims too low. The EU's Net Zero Industry Act, published today, shows its commitment to European leadership in sustainable sectors like heat pumps. However, the Act is too unambitious and lacks the detail to fully support the heat pump sector as it helps decarbonize European buildings and industry. The Act sets a heat pump target of 31 gigawatts of manufacturing capacity by 2030. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. ASHRAE concludes successful winter conference and AHR Expo in Atlanta. The ASHRAE 2023 Winter Conference concluded in Atlanta, with a strong focus on building decarbonization strategies. The conference took place February 4 to 8, with more than 3,000 HVAC and AMP/R industry professionals in attendance. The AHR Expo occupied 487,000 net square foot of exhibit space at the Georgia World Congress Center and showcased the latest technologies and services in the HVAC and AMP/R industry. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Trane Technologies approves fossil-free HVO fuel for Thermo refrigerated transport solutions. Trane Technologies has approved the use of hydro-treated vegetable oil, HVO, fossil-free fuel as a sustainable alternative to diesel fuel in Thermo King Global Cold Chain Solutions, including refrigerated truck and trailer product lines. The use of HVO fuel offers a 90% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and more than 30% in particulate matter while maintaining optimal product performance. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.